Hey, welcome to the 28th module, how you can actually motion and weight loss link by 7 figures. This is the 28th module, and we're going to talk about financing, plan, and leveraging. What is it? It is a language used to close a prospect into a refundable or non-refundable deposit. When do we use it? When a prospect is 100% tied on the process, multiple confirmation, and is just timing, finance, sending in a way. Also applies in let my spouse and partner know situation. First is to get them financially committed to some form of action. Helps in follow-up consultation. Follow-up conversation rate becomes significantly higher. If they decide not to proceed, you have a chance to recoup. Key distinction. If you do this without everything taught in week 4, it won't work. They must be tied down to the process. It's simply logistic. This is not how you overcome. Think about it or certainty objection. Deposit closing script. So just to be sure, this is the script we use for deposing, the closing script. So just to be sure, having monies, moving monies around aside, there's nothing else keeping you from being less 100% certain this is what you want to do. So that aside, you are 100% in. Awesome, man. Well, I'm happy to hear you're committed to get onboarded. This stuff happens all the time, so totally normal. What we do in this case is where someone is 100% in. It's just a matter of moving monies around. It takes a refundable deposit. It's completely refundable, so it's not committing to you to the program, but it's more allows you to know that you're in so that we can get everything set up on the back end and get you some homework so that once the funds come in, we are 100% ready to get to hit the ground running. Scenario one, and then if for any reason you have a live crisis or something you can do, no worries, we can send it back to you too. Scenario one, they said no before you told them the deposit amount. Gotcha, I hear you. Can I ask, is this just the idea of a deposit that's showing you off? Or just, or other things? Totally fair. And so just so you know, it's only $50 and it's a refundable. I just want to make sure I understand what's holding you back. Gently probe to understand the hesitation, reassure them it's not a hard commitment. Scenario two is no. They said no after you told them the deposit amount. Gotcha, I hear you. Can I ask, is it more about timing or is it just financially tight right now? Outcome path. If deposit is inappropriate, proceed to scenario 2.2. If finance are tight, suggest using cash on credit. No shame in doing so. I've had plenty of clients do that. They were glad they did. Scenario 2 part 2 is totally fair. The one that if he doesn't actually says yes or for deposit is totally fair here. Okay, let me just show you the script real quick here. Totally fair on you. Just wanted to make sure you understood where you were coming from. Continue with empathy and redirect to the next step. Follow up, cash to the close, or consult logic. Now, can you help me understand first something or for a second? You just got done telling me you were 100% in, but now you were saying that you're uncomfortable putting down a fully refundable no risk deposit on something you said you are 100% in on 2 seconds ago. So what's really going on here? If this says something that doesn't make sense, proceed below. Let's take a step back for a second. And why did you come to this consultation? To overcome pain and ultimately get desired outcome. Am I wrong? So look, not only have we figured out a problem out ourselves, we have hundreds of past clients who solved the same problem with our treatment too, which means we have a proven treatment plan and process to get that outcome sort of. Which is exactly what you came on the consult to get, right? So look, this refundable deposit is the first step in the XYZ process. And if the first very step in the process I tell you to do, you have a problem with, then how do you expect me to lead you to the result that you want? Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you just loop back into getting the deposit, and that is how you can get clients not only from the deposit, but in overall getting them more logistic question and putting them into perspective that this is more for them than for you. So as always, thank you guys for listening to that video, and I'll see you on the next one.